Good everybody, today on Quick Comp we're going to look at determining the center and radius of a circle using its equation. So there are three easy steps to solve this. Number one, we arrange it to be in this form because this is the general equation of a circle and we get x and y values, which is very easy, and I'm going to show you the steps we use to get x and y values. Number three, we reverse their signs. So we are going to start with this given equation. We are going to expand this. I'm going to have x squared plus 8x plus 16. And I'm also going to expand this to be y squared minus 4y plus 4, which is equals 9. Okay, collecting like terms, x squared plus y squared plus 8x minus 4y, and 16 plus 4 is plus 20 equals 9. So I'm going to bring this 20 over here. X squared plus y squared plus 8x minus 4y is equals 9 minus 20. X squared plus y squared plus 8x minus 4y is equals to 9 minus 20 is negative 11. So putting it in its final form, I'm going to have x squared plus y squared plus 8x minus 4y plus 11 equals 0. So having done the first step, I made the given question to be in this standard form. It's very easy. So I'm going to get my x and y values. I'm going to do this. 2x is equals to the coefficient of x, which is 8, and 2y is equals to the coefficient of y, which is negative 4. And I'm going to divide both sides by 2. And 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. I'm also going to make y subject formula by dividing both sides by 2. And my y value is negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2. So my coordinates, my center of the circle is 4 and minus 2. But before I do that, don't forget, number 3 says reverse their signs. So I'm going to reverse their signs. Positive 4 becomes minus 4. And negative 2 becomes positive 2. So these are my coordinates. And now the next thing, I have to get my radius. And it's very easy to get my radius. I'm going to write down my coordinates and put them in square. So I'll sum them up. And I'm going to introduce r squared equals to this, because I'm working with this equation. So I equate it with this constant term. So this square is equals to 16 plus 2 squares equals to 4 plus r squared equals 11. 16 plus 4 is 20 plus r squared equals 11. For me to make r squared subject formula, I have to minus both sides by 20, which is 11 minus 20 is minus 9. Now I want to say something very important. When we are dealing with radius, we don't mind if it's negative. So I'm going to, in a moment, forget my negative value and I'm going to transfer the square root to 9 because it's radius. And my radius is, square root of 9 is 3. So this is my coordinates and my radius is equals to 3. So that's how simple it is. Now for mathematicians who would want to prove the validity of my method, I want to do page 32 of your textbook, University Coordinate Geometry, especially for those in Uniports. So I'm going to do this equation, this example in your textbook. It's x squared plus y squared minus 6y is equals minus 5 brackets 2x plus 6. So I'm going to expand that and I'm going to collect like terms. I'm going to have x squared plus y squared minus 6y plus 10x plus 30 is equals 0. So that is how I got to my standard equation. I expand this and I collect like terms and I got this. This is my standard equation. This is the standard equation of a circle. And I'm going to get my x and y value. I'm going to do 2x. And what's the coefficient of x? Is 10. Equals 10. And 2y. The coefficient of y is negative 6. So dividing both sides by 2 to make x subject formula and get the value of x. 10 divided by 2 is 5 and get my value of y. My y value is negative 3. So you know what my third step is? Can you remind me? Yeah, my third step is I reverse their signs. I have this. To get my arrow, I'm going to square it up. And this square is 25. This square is 9 plus r square equals 30. And 25 plus 9 is 34 plus r square equals 30. Making r square subject formula by minusing 34, I'm going to have negative 4. And since I'm dealing with radius, I'll forget my negative value, and the square root of 4 is 2. So my arrow is equals to 2. God bless you, and I believe this will help you in your study of maths.